Just looking at Reliance. And Chandan, I get a feeling that Reliance ka samay aa gaya. It's underperformed. Nobody likes it. Numbers are not that bad. Sandeep Sarwal, for a change, has been liking Reliance for almost 6 months now. Chandan, Reliance ka samay aa gaya. Can I say that?
Good morning. Thanks for having me. बिल्कुल आपकी बात से सहमत हूँ, and it seems that the Reliance is now all set to give the fresh breakout. If I look at the price behavior of last almost 25 weeks, every time it took hurdle near 1300 to 1325. We have noticed that sustained call writing was visible at 1300 strike, but at this new series, we started to witness call unwinding, which is an early sign that Reliance can hold beyond 1300 marks. So I believe a small follow-up can trigger the short covering move led by consolidation breakout in technical terms, and which can take it towards 1385 to 1400 zone, which is 5 to 6% from current level. So price setup indicates some recovery, and I believe now Reliance will take the chart with support of 1275. It has potential to spike towards 1385 to 1400 zone, and if market has to hold above 24,000 or head towards 24,444, Reliance will contribute in a big way now.
Let me come to you, Chandan. Get your view on the cement sector. How is it looking to you on the charts, and any of the stocks that are looking attractive at this point in time?
So yes, I'll focus on the counter UltraTech Cement. We have seen some buying interest in the stock led by better rollover activities in last series to the current. In fact, the stock is holding well, making higher tops, higher bottom, quoting at multiple weeks breakout, and a small follow-up can lead it to the new lifetime high territory. And I think this is one of the strongest counter which is generating alpha and likely to outperform. So UltraTech will be the preferred trade with support of 12,000. We are expecting it to head towards 12,850 to 13,000 marks.
And then what about you within the mid-cap space? Which is the stock that you are eyeing?
I'll focus on selective IT counter, and I'll go for emphasis. The stock has really seen the positive price action, witness high tops, high bottom in last 10 days. If I look at the moving average crossover, it has been holding well above 50-day exponential moving average. And the good part is that selective IT stocks have bottomed out and started to witness some buying interest. On weekly chart, it has seen the positive or bullish divergence, which indicates some short covering trigger could be there in the counter. So emphasis could be the one trade idea with support of 2466. And here we are expecting a move towards 2600 to 2650 zone.
That's all about the mid-cap idea. But Chandan, I wanted to ask you, which sector should one watch out for in today's trading session? Given the fact that, yes, it's been sector-specific, you are seeing sector rotation day in and day out. I don't think there's one particular sector that you can pinpoint would be the outperformer in today's trading session. Which is the one sector one should watch out for?
Yeah, one of the toughest, I think, question for the day, because the market is not going to be sector-specific now, because already we have seen a decent run-up in BFSI. Bank Nifty has outperformed earlier, led by selective private and PSU banks. Even selective financially have really done well. But now the Bank Nifty to Nifty ratio has gone to 2.25. So because of that, Bank Nifty might see some consolidation. Selective consumption counter has done well. But now we are looking selective cement and few IT name. So I think if you have to consider few name, then can go for cement. But again, we have to be very stock specific. So name like UltraTech Cement, emphasis, or selective IT name could be on radar for the bullish side, while selective oil and gas companies or Voltas or few auto name could be under pressure in this market scenario. So you have to be mixed with buy on sale, and it's going to be very stock specific rather than talking about the sector specific at the current scenario.
All right, so yeah, tough question coming in on in Chandan's way, given the fact that which sector will outperform, given the fact it's a tough market and it's not going to be sector-specific market. But on that note, thank you so much, Saumil, as well as Chandan, for joining us this morning to help decipher what should one make when you talk about the strategy for the day. But
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.